Hi, this is Bonnie with TLC Inspirations, and today we're going to talk about Alpha Tricks, which is a new program that has just been launched by Embrilliance Embroidery software. And if you're familiar with Embrilliance, you know that the program comes with some preloaded font designs that you can just type your words using your keyboard or your phrases, and it makes it pretty easy by selecting your text and then going ahead and selecting one of the fonts that they provide and typing your word. So we're going to type cat, and then it will be all nicely aligned, evenly spaced and sized, and all ready to take to our embroidery machine. So that makes that really nice, and it's nice that they offer those fonts. Sometimes you want a little bit more, and so if we go outside of Embrilliance and try to pull in some fonts, we find it to be a little difficult, and we have to pull in individual letters. There's my C, and I'm going to grab an A and a T. These are regular PES embroidery files. They're all individual. And so I would have to play around with each letter to try to align it and space it and get it all uniform looking. And it becomes a little time consuming. There may be times when you want to do it this way, but I think most of us prefer to just be able to use our keyboard and type whatever it is we want to embroider. So let's get rid of that, and let's move on to what Alpha Tricks can do for us. The first thing is that it works with BX files, and a lot of the digitizers are starting to provide BX files. So I purchased one, and I'm going to go in here. I've unzipped it already, so now all I'm going to have to do, you can see here it says BX. This is River Mill Embroidery, and this is River Mill Script, Simple Script. I just click on it, and it says Files Installed, and I click OK, and now it should show up in my font menu in Embrilliance. And there it is. Let's see. Rivermail Script, Simple Script is in my menu, and so I'm going to go back up here and I'm going to select it and actually type our word using a keystroke. Get rid of our old one, and now I'm going to type my cat word, and you'll be able to see that I can use my keyboard and create this word or my phrase or my monogram. I will also be able to manipulate this word with all the Embrilliance features, with the slant and the curving of the letters, any of their preloaded design manipulations that they have. They have several features and things that you can play around with to customize your letters. As you can see, it's all doable with the BX file, and is now keystroke ready. So now the next thing that we're going to want to do is that I want to show you is that this program lets you pull in a font set or an alphabet and map it to your keyboard. So we're going to go up here and we're going to select the needle with the ABC, and it asks us if we want to import a font, and we do. I'm going to choose an uppercase font called Boingo, and so I'm going to go to the top of my box, select all, so all the little green check marks, and then I click import. Now it's in my import box, and I want to make sure A is my beginning letter. So I want to make sure that A is the beginning and in the little box. And then I want to select uppercase A through Z to map. And you can also have a choice of lowercase or a combination or 0 through 9. And then all we do is save our font and click out of the box. And then we should be able to go up to our A again, our letters, and we should be able to see the Boingo. There it is right there. Yay, there's our font. Now this font is, even though it started out like a PES font design, it has now been mapped, and I'm able to use it with my keyboard and type any word, phrase, or monogram that I want in this particular font. And I think that's super cool that I can do that now in this design, because it was a little frustrating before. So thank you, Embrilliance, for Alpha Tricks. It makes things so much easier and so much more fun. So again, also the mapped fonts, you can use all the Embrilliance features to add circle wording or curves or whatever you want. So I hope you'll give the Alpha Tricks a try, and the links are in our description underneath this video. And I thank you very much for watching TLC Inspirations Tutorials, and have a good day.